Now if we look at this and we move the playhead over, you'll see that we actually get this little ghost girl in between. So we want to cut her out. To do that, we're going to use the razor blade tool, and that's over here. You can see between the parentheses that C is the shortcut to that, so I'll just press C. And what I'm going to do using my arrow keys is I'm going to get to the point right where she's at, and right before that I'm going to cut there. Now you can see it's split into two different clips. I'm going to go to the end right where she disappears and cut there as well. Now pressing the V key so I can get back to the arrow, I can click on this. Now if I hit delete, it gets rid of the clip but doesn't move anything. So we're going to have a black frame there. Hit Command Z to undo. To remove that, to delete and remove the clip at the same time, kind of collapsing everything, we're going to hold down the Option key and then hit delete. And you can see how it collapses things. Now I'm going to show you another quick way of doing this as well. We're going to use the blade tool again, pressing C. And I'm going to go over here to where I want the first frame of where I want it to end. Click. Now I'm going to use my playback tool, playhead tool, and move that over to the point where I want it. Instead of cutting, I'm just going to press the W key, and that will cut right where the playhead's at and collapse everything down. So you can see you get the same thing. All right, let's get to the last frame, the number 1, and we'll be ready to go in the next section.